Welcome to another video. I've been sent a box from Cargods detailing. I'm not sure what's in it. I've never used Cargods before, but I thought today would be a great opportunity to give them a try. I'll show you the car in a second. So let's open them up and see what we've actually got. Atlas, wax of the gods. That's good, that. Oh, so I'm guessing that is an exterior one. Atlas not only holds up celestial. Listen to this. So Atlas not only holds up the celestial heavens for eternity, but carries forth the wax of the gods. Look at that. Let me if I've got that right. Just the names alone. I've looked at a couple of them on the website. I'm not sure what they all do. So go have a look at some of the names. They are pretty good. Very smart. So, okay. Let's make our way to the interior. So I just thought I'd start in the boot. So as you can see, we've got a couple of stains. So I thought I'd just start with the multi-purpose cleaner. So this one's looks yellow. So I'm comparing this to, so I use Autoglym. That's what I've been using for quite some time. So I'm curious to see how this would work. So I'm just going to start with spraying it on. Ooh, that smells nice. But I love the smell to it.
All I'm using here is the APC drill brush and obviously my hoover. So as you're looking at the screen now, on the left hand side was that disgusting stain. That's pretty much got rid of the stain. Now I'm going through all the rest of the boot, getting into all the corners with my rounded drill brush. This one that I've got on the end of my drill is perfect for getting the sides into all the corners and removing any dirt that's embedded into the actual fabric of the boot and the sides, so that when it comes to hoovering, I pick up everything. So as you can see, the difference between when I started to when I finished is really good. And now, considering that this is an old car, the results are really good. So far, the APC or MPC rather from Cargods, I 100% recommend it. So far, it's looking really good. What's your thoughts on it?
That's the boot after using their MP100 cleaner. So that's their multi-purpose cleaner. That's all I've used on the interior of the boot. So all I use there, well, you can see there. So I've got the MP cleaner. Got my drill with my two drill brush adapters, and I've obviously got my hoover there. Look at that. As you remember, there was a stain all in that area, which is gone. There were stains on either sides, all gone. Bearing in mind that this is a 14 plate car and it's not moved or being cleaned in a while. I'm really excited to see the rest of the car and how that's going to show up. Let's move on to the rest of the car. So this is what we've got for the back seat. So it's not, back here is not too bad, to be fair. So we have plenty of dirt on the floors, in the footwells, and then on the seats, as you can see, we've got quite a few stains, a little bit of mould growing on the seat, a bit of dirt grime. Door cards aren't too bad. Let's get to it. Again, let's just give the APC a spray, or MPC they call it. To one side. So I've just done that seat, the middle seat, and that bit. I've stopped there, done all that bit. So as you can already see the clear difference between them both. So it's safe to say that the Cargods are looking actually quite good. So as you remember, all I did was, so I've done that side, and I've done these two seats as well. As you remember, there was a stain just there. I've got to redo this seat. As you can see, there's still some watermarks and stuff there, so I'll do that seat. I've done the backs. But so far, the products are looking good. I'll let you all be the judge of that. Got some dirt down there still. I'll let you all be the judge of that once I'm fully done. Let's get back to it. So here we have the backs all done. So as you can see, the seats have come up really, really well. Floors have come up great. What would you rate that out of 10? 10 being a brand new showroom car, 1 being just burn it and throw it to the bin. I'd give that a solid 7, 8. Right, let's move on to the front now. Now this bit will be the main challenge. This is a bit I've been excited to see. So, as you can see, you've got all mould all on the seats. You've got bits on the seat belts, the steering wheel. Now this is both sides as well, so as you can see there, the seats. That's the floor mat, so we'll be taking the floor mats out. We'll see what it comes up like. is take 3. Both my mics keep breaking on me, so I'm just going to cope with the microphone on the phone. So I've just been tackling the steering wheel. As if you remember, it was completely coated in mould. All the indicator stalk, as you can see there, you see the difference. So between the dirt there. So all we have to do for that is so again, using the APC, you can just spray a little bit on it, and then if you get your trusty sponge, you can get these from pretty much anywhere, any detailing place. Just give it a little rub. So many innuendos running through my brain right now. Cloth again, microfiber. Let's continue. So, what's my final verdict? I really like it. So today I only use these 2. I used the interior detailer on the plastics and the trims, and I used the MP100 Plus cleaner on the carpets, the fabrics, and obviously in the boots as well. And as you've seen, it has come up really, really good. I am genuinely impressed. I didn't know what to expect. Apologies for all the issues with my mic and the phone today. My mic keeps dying and now my phone's died, so I've got it plugged into the van. But my verdict on the Cargods so far, everything that I've seen from the interior is worked perfectly fine, as it says on the box. I would give it a good 10 out of 10 for everything that I've seen so far. I am yet to try the exterior and see how it works on that. I'd be really interested to see on how it would do on a really dirty wheel, because Cargods don't have an acid wheel cleaner. So if your wheel is, obviously you can only use acid on certain types of wheels anyway. I could use acid on this one, and I'd be really interested to see what their normal wheel cleaner does on a wheel like this, because it is heavily caked in brake dust. But Cargods, from what I've seen, the interior detailer, the all-purpose cleaner or multi-purpose cleaner is really good. The stains have come out, the customer is happy with it, and I'll cut to the final shots of the car, and I want your verdict on what you think it's like. Comment your thoughts of what you think it is. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, because we will be doing more videos, more demonstrations of products, and we will be going to other detailers and showing their processes as well. So subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.